Okay, me mo bibi akwa baziba jumedi do dem when na haye Uno Media. Who first time as Zerisha ma catch you look sharp, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon. If you na attach all no do. Am ye the bibi adi tuma enya watchefa. Osana ha jumedi bebre wa hade. In the menya artist kukudam na wa hade. Ehwe na aba me yo hye nenu ase. Na ehwe ne san bling bling a tell akata fo no oba me studio hade. Me introducing. Omanala introducing itself. Brother.
Yeah.
Omo akwaba.
That's me also.
Introducing which amasha for now.
So I go by the name Cooks, an Afrobeat singer. Yeah.
Cooks.
Yeah.
C-O-O-K.
No, K-U-X.
Okay.
Yeah.
The K-U-X.
Yeah, X.
I know for some you wonder what them know.
Just normal. I feel like it's how we raise up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And the Cooks in Jordan.
Cooks is my name, a shortened form of my name.
A shortened form.
Like you see, I'm Bernard, but
okay.
some shorten it and call it Ben. She gets it.
Okay, and the Cooks no yeah.
So Cooks is from Kuofa.
Kuofa.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Kuofa and say auntie Cooks will me eti and Kupe ne adio.
Yeah, so there's a whole story behind it, how the name was even derived from it.
Okay, so how was it derived from it?
It's a long story.
Into summarize and say square yes summary bia.
Yeah, exactly.
Summarize and kakama.
So it was, let me see, my grandfather actually were staying in Ashanti region. That's what my dad told me.
Okay.
And then with my dad and all their brothers, they were in Ashanti region.
Okay.
And then it looks like the name was too hard and long for them to pronounce. And then my grandfather too was a teacher actually.
Okay.
So you know, students who like to mention your name and all that, but they couldn't mention.
Students, no, they are wash who teacher. What fazi na obi bia. Otu mo be 6 years.
Exactly, yeah.
Otu mo be me pem size. Nti wo grandpa no not then na wash and woman cook. I should not pay the money.
Oh no, I just what my dad told me was they couldn't mention the name actually, the full name.
Okay.
As in the Kofa, so they just shortened it as in Cooks.
Cooks.
Yeah. And then the main reason why I also took that name upon myself is, I believe it's the beginning of greatness.
Okay.
Because it's like.
And pedo grandpa needing by your cry.
Not even about that. It's like it's the beginning of greatness. After me, the rest are past and gone. So I'm the new. I'm new.
You are the new cook.
Yeah, like the new world.
Okay.
Yes. So after me, everything after me is great.
Matia. Yeah, next generation as some generation case and kabone you cook in your case. Ehwe na no brofo na nye. No the students in the school na say what show brofo. Wa fade. Ebi wo mpa bo ehye. Na wa hwom ho na wa modin. E be kọ na ne pediban. Oye bo ankasa. Enti wankasa no apart from the music, what do you do?
Okay, I'm a graphic designer too.
Okay.
I do graphics and then I'm a student.
Student at where? Gimpa.
Yeah.
It's a course.
IT.
IT.
Yeah, exactly.
I see. And you be a robot nowadays. Oh, right. And you be a robot nowadays.
Oh, yeah.
And you know, IT for the either they do or use for other firms. If you do now, pay them robotics. Now, then seems you be a robot.
Yeah, you're a baby.
But I'm sure one a be paid the band, paying me the buyer.
Oh, yeah.
Are you a cook?
I'm a chef.
You are a chef. It's enough for cook that to the question one and your shiny baby. Well, I will tell the money better.
Oh, when you start, so that's not how it is. Okay,
so cook, what chef in a no? I the man while woofy and other you do it for other people as well.
So I do it for myself and then other people.
Other people like?
Yeah, so I'm a chef actually, but in 2 ways.
Okay. So
the first one is when it comes to music, I'm a producer as well. So I produce for other artists.
If we are saying a cook a baby, I shouldn't answer. A cook, I say a cook, a chef, the band. The banana when you come to a producer, you produce for a producer, a red banana.
Yeah.
How?
Cooking, because creating music from scratch is like cooking.
Nah,
You're also cooking. You have the ingredients and all that. Yeah, so I feel like it's also cooking.
So that's one side.
Yeah, that's one side.
So what about the other side?
The other side, I cook. I'm a chef. Food.
For yourself?
For myself and my family.
And you're chef. And you're chef. And you're for chef in front of you. Chef. The banner you will you chef would oh yeah the one and would one day. Or better than for chef at all the better.
Oh,
Ebu chef cooks near your studio had in. On no pays one into for cooks the afternoon. Then I needed the agent. Now should be did that chair though. Ono no be different what brand and kanka. Ono the dey run you every studio hona also cook man for. No one Samarian. So unyom no aba year them started.
Let me see, I've just been in this game for a while. You see, I was battling with being an artist and then being a producer.
Okay, music no a game.
Okay, let me see, music is a game.
How?
Music is a game.
How is it a game?
Because it's a game.
How is it a game?
Because everybody is trying to win.
Everybody is trying to win.
Yeah.
Okay, in Tawe who do a game?
Yeah, it's
like a game of Ludo.
And then it depends on how you are seeing it. Because some people see it to be a journey where they are heading to.
All right.
You don't care whatever that comes up.
Okay.
But some people also don't look at it in that perspective.
So how do you see it? How do you see it?
I feel like to me it's a journey.
It's a journey.
Yeah, it's a journey.
So when did you started your journey?
Let me see, just last year.
Last year.
Okay, it's been long ago, like I think 4 or 5 years ago. But I've just been indoors, like just working on myself.
Okay. On record no wo dem na wote.
Yeah, exactly. Just trying
just
trying to perfect myself, like get to a certain standard.
Ehun de bi mo ho a anyone wo area no wo who the cry. Wo record where dem obi no dey aba especially I want to school na de no. No wo school aside school no be antibium. Is it that type or hindering be?
Oh. Okay, let me see. It was just myself and my friends. Because when it comes to my area, I don't know who knows I do music. Okay, right now at this moment, they know I do music, but at those times.
Okay.
Yeah, it was just myself and my friends. Because I feel like I'm doing music, but the sound I want to get the people to like, I haven't gotten it yet. So I just had to just be indoors and just work on myself to get there before I show myself out.
Okay, this is you've worked on yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, right now I'm out there.
You are out there. A lot of people know you.
Yeah.
Okay. And so when your first enyum na release, how many enyum them they release so far?
Right now, I think I have like 6 songs.
Oh wow. First one I ever did them.
So first I dropped a tape, an EP of 4 songs.
Okay.
And then this year that was last year. And then this year I dropped everything, and then my recent song is Stand Firm.
Okay.
Yeah, so making a 6.
Okay. So album, how many? That's 4 songs.
Yeah.
Play mom freestyle of Aquarium.
No problem.
All right.
So yeah.
Is it a love song or what?
Oh, it's mixed up.
Mixed up.
Yeah.
I wear a love song and
Yeah.
I have them.
I do love. I do life and motivate. I do everything that comes to me.
Me sure when my best of phone time maybe so you are so food or chunko where a counselor na day for another one some there chunko but I want to say won't to participate. But me sure when my best of phone maybe so them no.
No, I do everything that comes to me.
Okay.
See, it's a feeling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mom love didn't be.
Okay.
See, I fall in love with that.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Me sure when my romantic where have I some?
Many times.
A crash will be do a hand.
And then despite you are all human beings, definitely you see somebody and like the person, you fall in love and all that.
Okay.
Yeah, body no be firewood.
Oh, okay. Maybe I love maybe. Body no be. I want to know be a better genuine. And so genuine. Mama love maybe.
Girl, I wanna dare with you. I wanna fight for you. Make you know say me my love be true. Oh no. Girl, I wanna dare with you. I wanna fight for you. Make you know say me my love be true. Say anytime I dare with you, anytime I dare with you. Be like say you do me juju. Be like say you do me juju. Anytime I dare with you, baby. Anytime I dare with you.
Oh yeah. Why what do I say? She means a baby. I'm gonna what they also there. Anytime you dare with her, no. It be like say they do you
then doing
juju.
juju.
Better what doing it?
Because the feeling is, I don't know, you can't
What doing
just.
it? Don't do. What doing it? And the mean you mean it? Now fall in love, ne boy, you're not then.
Let me see. Yeah, I was in the process.
I kick a continent a tron, you're not getting anything with the Opadia is serious.
It doesn't work like that with me.
How does it work?
It comes to me naturally.
Naturally.
Yeah.
But me say now
And
fall
then,
in love, ne boy. I see
I think
you
at that
the
moment, I was also going through, like, let's say, once say in my whole, it gets to a point.
Me you, I want to kawasem. Go straight to there.
Oh,
Them mommy.
but you're a lady.
No, I'm a lady, but to be on the feelings. So
Okay.
I mean, me wish
so you see, it gets to a point in a relationship. Women begins to switch up sides, show attitude and all that.
Yeah, the normal attitude.
I don't know.
Okay.
So I think that's when it started. I don't know, and then it just came to me, and then I just placed it down.
Okay. On order hand on your day or yes, which I for you try your I go by the name of Fabridis. Me when him yam, me wait for yam. I don't talk much. I act much because silence is. Oh, Golden. I own media. It's the first time I go to China. In Juma Papa Brewer had a aha, yeah, hotspots, yeah, vocals. There, Jumedi 100 dollars. You trust series, you trust skates. Nti wo ga obi aba won chen so pedo ja wa mo ane hye won chen atase a ero mo no na efre 2k bread for and efre wo no food for no wo the meat pie roll or bro snacks na dey no akọ YouTube na type uno media obom ni na capital letters na search your YouTube no e hwa like subscribe a subscriber da me bell icon or on click on it na me all no do oba ndama me beto obi e benya wo chefa na hye na sro I like I share my wonye bi and most importantly I leave your comment at the comment section. Jumedi your touchdown. You could area on to your baby. But the woman in freestyle. Pupu minim. Na member ya would John Jermaine and be me pe I had it. Mommy freestyle.
For this life deadly. Me say boy snake can't she searching for the money no tampe. No tampe before I drop ube huna ma start it. Tell my G's me my lande.
I will smoker.
No.
One time to show no do.
Sir, boys were home on tampe.
Echo studio I want to cook more now but them na the Friday morning.
Oh, that be you get two boys or home on tampe.
Until we get to boys or studio hall.
Say I would trim or get to and who say boys to home on tampe.
Until I trim more get to.
Beside a quieting.
Echo I will get to nature.
Me coho.
A quite pass.
No.
I should trim a canker.
Hey, David.
Start na uncle.
For this life,
get to funny frame one count. Get to funny frame.
Boys, snake can't she? Searching for the money, no tampe. No tampe. Before I drop ube huna ma start it. Tell my G's me my lande. For the area no be smarting. Only money are the soji. Come any man non stopping. My melodies no dulling. Say all my energy got them talking. My melodies no dulling. Come any man non stopping. My melodies no dulling. Oh, for this only Jah where they guide my ways. It's fire on the mountain. Yenima na yeko.
Backwards never.
Yenima na yeko.
Forward ever.
Yenima na yeko.
On God.
Yeah. So started as the default to collect the insult to. Came from the trenches, now me at the front too. Otemenyuma you go know it's an anthem. Ube who say me cancel, whether loud or silence in a handset. They like the soldiers who was stand firm. So me come any man no stopping. Yeah, that's stand firm for you.
Ebu Shafo, Better than some no daban. And when any man, I am no for the obion kasa. But all about sham no use no rapid sham no ye me come any man non stop pay. The daba some I get of work one count. Ned one I bet a wound room where I better get to nature a quadri pass and put up a can of quite.
Oh, that be.
Okay, into the way I oh darling boy, oh girls are in.
Girls.
I don't say you are in love now.
That was then. That was last year.
Oh, okay, in your broken heart.
That was last year.
Okay, sorry. It was after you made it. I had a my Canadian. Me broken heart for me studio. Eba Hannah says she won in my today and I called on your beshum and be beshum gumodo had a mention before near Sam Farm ties down any other baby, you know. And the answer do you have anything you want to tell your fans?
Yeah, so I want to tell my people that I have a new song out there, Stand Firm. Go check it out on all streaming platforms. Yeah, so Stand Firm, just Cooks, KUX and Cooks. And then my brother Malcolm Luna just released an EP, and then featuring myself too. Go check it out. Chapters of Love. Go check it out. That's number 3. Much love.
Anthony Okasa way it in. Are you there rapper not today?
It's still music.
Yo, so you do so one you made the other baby, you made it down again. Uno food was saying as 2K bread was saying as for number no screen as from one and you want in Digra, so wish him won't be a camera nor is so affordable so. Jumedi, aha, number mama and kwan. Nay daisy. I go by the name of Fabulous. Me win yam, me wait yam. I don't talk much. I act much because silence is Gilding mackerel.